Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making tuna pasta. Oil 2 tablespoons, chopped onion 1 cup, saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Veggies 1 cup, saute for 2 minutes. Salt as per taste. Red chilli flakes 2 tablespoons. Tomato paste 2 tablespoons. Tuna 1 cup. Mix everything. Add cream cheese 3 tablespoons. Mix everything. Add boiled pasta. Mix everything, cook for 2 to 3 minutes. It's ready to eat. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.